In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google your homepage in Google Chrome. For many of us, the first thing we do when we open up our browser is search for something on Google. So why not save those few extra seconds and make Google your homepage directly? Let's walk through the steps to get this all set up. First, what you'll want to do is open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have that up, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots there. This icon is your gateway to customizing Chrome to better fit your needs. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will bring up a new screen where you can adjust a wide array of options for your browser. Now that you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. There are various categories and options listed out for you. Here, you should see an option labeled On Startup. This option is key when it comes to determining what happens every time you open Chrome. Once you click on Startup, you'll see 3 different choices. The option you'll want to select is the one that says, Open a specific page or set of pages. By choosing this option, you're telling Chrome that you want to open a particular website or group of websites whenever you launch the browser. This is perfect for setting Google as your homepage. Now that you've selected Open a specific page or set of pages, you'll see a new option pop up that allows you to add a new page. Click on that link that says Add a new page. A small dialog box will appear where you can type in the web address for the page you want as your homepage. In this dialog box, type in the URL, which in this case will be https://www.google.com. This web address will direct you straight to Google's homepage each time you open Chrome. After entering the URL, just click the Add button to save it. And that's all there is to it. Google is now set as your homepage. Every time you start up Chrome, it'll automatically bring you to Google. This simple change can save you time and clicks, making your browsing experience that much more efficient. If you ever want to change your homepage or add more pages for convenience, you can always revisit these settings and make adjustments to fit your needs. And with that, you've officially mastered how to make Google your homepage in Chrome. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing!